वीडियो को अभी लाइक कर दीजिए और लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए रवि ब्लॉग्स टेक चैनल को और दबाइए बेल आइकन।
What's up people out there, this is Ravi from the channel Ravi Blogs Tech, and in this video I'm going to tell you about a very good product that has been launched by a company called Caviar. And I would say this is not just a very good product, it is a very expensive product. That is PlayStation 5. Yep, you heard it right. It's a PlayStation 5, but not just a normal PlayStation 5, because it is covered with 4.5 kg of gold. Basically, it's a original gold, not a painting and all. It's a original gold, 4.5 kg. Yep, you heard it right. And believe me, when you will hear the price of it, your mind will blow up, because it is damn expensive, which I'm gonna tell you about it in a detail. And you might be thinking, who buys all this? So let me tell you, about 1,200 people have already registered for this PlayStation 5 with 4.5 kg of gold. I'm gonna tell you who all did that, so stay tuned for the video. It's gonna be a very interesting one. And also guys, if you're new to the channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button, because I bring such videos every day which you might not want to miss it, because those are very important. And as you can see, we are very close to 5k subscribers, so do hit the subscribe button. So let's begin with the video. So guys, let me tell you, this PlayStation 5 with 4.5 kg of gold, when you look at the design, you can clearly see there is a very gold plated, I mean the gold is in the form of rock, means rocky design. It is kind of very rocky design, and it is very expensive too, because it is like original gold of 4.5 kg. That will cost you a lot if you're gonna buy separately 4.5 kg of gold. And let me tell you, this company produces lots of such expensive products. For example, they have made iPhone 12 Pro, all the iPhones they have made with extra plated, like gold plated. So let's not waste much time. Let me tell you what is the price of it. So the price of this gold plated PlayStation 5 is $500K, which when you convert into Indian currency, it is some 3.6 crores. Yup, you heard it right, it's 3.6 crore. You can literally buy a Ferrari out of this much amount. So this is damn expensive. Now you might be thinking, who buys all this, right? So let me tell you, already more than 1,000, that is 1,342 people have already registered for it. And let me tell you who are those people. Some of the famous names are like the famous basketball superstar LeBron James, and a very well-known businessman which lives in outside the Russia, that is name is unknown. And then American businessman, IT field, who works in IT field. Then many other people have already registered for it, and when the product launches, they can buy it without for them it's a very small amount, because they are like billionaires and millionaires, so they are gonna buy this. And if you also want to buy it, I don't know how many of you, I probably nobody, but if you just want to check out the website, you can get the link in the description, or you can just Google it, caviar.com or something like that. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did like the video, do hit the like button, and also comment what you liked about this video and whether you are interested in buying this phone or not. And if you have any questions or queries or any suggestions, you can put that in comment section. And do subscribe to the channel, because I'm very close to 5k subscribers, as you can see, so please subscribe. Also share this video to all your friends and let them know that there is such an expensive PlayStation 5 too, and in case if they want to buy, they can also buy it. So see you guys in the next video. Hope you like this video, and Jai Hind.